So this is the Field Tuff 6-foot cultipacker that can be used either with a 3-point hitch like this, with the 3-point hitch kit, which just basically involves these two pieces that hook into the arms, and then you get a pin that goes through this. And then this tongue piece, it will also act as something you can pull with a quad. And we'll show you a field we planted yesterday, and we used the cultipacker and it worked pretty well. We'll show you that. But I don't have the wheels on this, but if you're going to use it with a quad, they have the wheels, which is shown in this picture. So like I said, this is a 6-foot cultipacker from Northern Tool and Equipment. The company's Field Tuff. Weighs about 400 pounds and does a pretty good job. Field Tuff, 6-foot. It has wheels. You can use it with a quad or a tractor. I got the 3-point hitch kit for it, and that's what we're running it with. Did a really good job on this field. We had it prepped pretty good, but it did work really well. Here you can see the field is all seeded and cultipacked. Looks good. We actually got a little bit of rain last night, so I think we're going to get a good growing season out of this.